Hello friends, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to show you how to do this type of image editing. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to your browser. There, you need to search for Bing Image Creator. After searching for Bing Image Creator, you need to open that website. Once you open the website, you'll see something like this on the first page. Here, you need to paste the prompt. First, paste the prompt, and then click on the Create option. After clicking, wait for a while. Then, you'll see that our image has been created. To download this image, you just need to click once on the image. After that, you'll see that the image has been created beautifully. If you want to create more images like this, watch our video.